Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website called Cortex. So we're going to dive deep into its features, the pros and cons, and the price tag for this platform. So let's get started. So talking about the Cortex is an AI tool for people who hate wasting time. It automates much of the grunt work involved in data analysis. If you have spent hours cleaning up details or building the same report over and over, Cortex could be your new best friend when it comes to that. And here's a list of key features and key benefits of this platform compared to other platforms. So one of the key benefits about this platform is the cost effectively. It also comes on easy use, and the key features which help you automate is powerful and is AI tools with a solid data cleanup and a basic report tools. It also comes with an integration and a support which help the knowledge base, but customer service can sometimes be slow. And also talking about the easy to use is very guided experience, great for folks who aren't a data analytics expert. So it comes with a cost effective, so this can save you money. It's in the long run due to the same and save time of competitive task. Now talking about the pricing, the price plan for this, this comes with a basic plan together with an upgrade plan. So you can start at least $5,000 per month to get you an automation and get unlimited numbers of reports. And on the upgrade plan, this comes in higher price plan, increase the automation limit, and also add more advanced features to your plan. So talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the pros and cons of a particular website to help you dive into it. So I'm going to review the quick advantages and the downside of this platform. So talking about the advantages, it saves at least 5 hours a week on tedious data tasks. It also help you, it is super easy to set a complex automation. Now talking about the downside, the visualization options are a bit limited and it's not ideal for need super in-depth analysis features. So thanks. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.